Today we're talking about multiplying and dividing integers. You've got to think about them as two separate things, because often people get confused with the idea of minus minus, or is that the same as multiplication? They're two different things. So learn about adding and subtracting. We went through that last lesson. You've got to learn that, how you swap the sign and then subtract. So you swap the sign of the operator and then make the number positive. Right? But this time, when you're multiplying and dividing into integers, which is just remember whole numbers, positive or negative, if the two signs of the integers are the same, so if it's a plus times plus, plus divided by plus, or a negative divided by negative, negative multiplied by negative, the answer is always going to be positive. Okay? The answer is always going to be positive. Because, in a sense, the negatives cancel each other out. Okay? The only time you're going to get a negative answer when you're multiplying two numbers is when you have a positive and a negative number multiplied together. And then you always get a negative. Okay? That's the way that we need to think about it. Just got to restart one, right? 2 seconds. So if we have a look at these examples, write examples in your book, please. Write the first one down. 6 times minus 2. 6 times minus 2. So an integer is just an indices. Indices square of 2. Integers just mean a whole number. 6 times minus 2. The first thing we look at, well, this is a positive number, this is a negative number. When you have a positive times a negative, the answer is going to be negative. Once you decide that it's going to be positive or negative, we notice the answer is negative, so we don't worry about the signs anymore. Just ignore the signs after that. You just look at 6 times 2, or 6 times 12. It's simply minus 12. It has to be a negative answer. You just multiply the numbers together. What we call the magnitude, like a quantity, is 12, and it's in the negative direction. Okay, so it's negative 12. The next one, we have minus 12 times minus 3. Negative times negative. It's going to be positive always. When you have two negative numbers multiplied together, the answer is positive. So we know that I'm not going to write a plus. When you have a positive answer, you don't write a plus. Just leave it. Negative, you write a minus sign, so if it's positive, you don't need to write it. So then what's 12 times 3? Because now I know it's going to be positive. What is it? It's 36. Cute. So it's positive 36. But the two negatives cancel each other out. Next one, 20 divided by minus 4. Divided by minus 4. The answer is going to be positive or negative? Negative, because it's a positive divided by negative. 20 divided by 4. Now we can ignore the sign. What's 20 divided by 4? 5. So it's going to be negative 5. That's what our answer is going to be. Final one, minus 15 divided by minus 3. It's going to be positive or negative, right? Positive. There's two negatives. Divide a negative by a negative, it's going to be a positive answer. Guess what? Yeah, it's just 5. If 15 divided by 3 is 5, it's just positive, so it's got 5. Finish writing examples. Exercise 1.04. Question 1, 2, 3, and 4 do 3 parts of each. Question 5, Could be ABC or BCD or TFG. Pick 3 parts out of it. And then the third column means there's 3 columns of questions. Do the third column. Can I suggest when you pick 3 questions, do 1 at the start, 1 in the middle, 1 at the end. I would like you to do this silently. By silently, I mean there's no noise whatsoever.
You can come up 3 questions.
I mean, question 1, 2, 3. So question 1 and 2 do all of it. 3 and 4 be 3 parts. So I should have put a space.